Today I'm going to show you a few of my Amazon favorites that I really love, and I just wanted to tell you that Prime Day is coming July 11th and 12th. If you didn't know that, there will be a link below in the description box for a 30-day free trial in case you're interested. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the favorites that I have for you today. First, I'm going to start with my tiered tray decor and my tiered trays, because those are the things that I get a lot of views on my channel for, and I just thought I'd start with them. So first of all, I have my beaded tray. That's my most recent tray that I just purchased, and I love this tray. It has great surface area for decorating and for putting all the little pieces onto it to decorate with. And it also comes with 3 different metal handles, so you can interchange those, and that's something that I really love about that. And so that tray I got off of Amazon. And then the other 2 trays I have are my black tray and my white tray that are both from Creative Co-op. And actually the white tray is on a Prime special right now if you have Prime. So you might want to check that out. At least at the making of this video, it is on a Prime special. So all 3 of these trays are really good as far as like the space that they give you on both of them. They're 2-tiered, obviously, and so both tiers have good space on them for decorating, and I just love them. If you want to do tiered trays, they're absolutely great for that, and the links will be below for those. The next item that I have for you are these mini cloches, and these come there's 3 in a pack. They're 3 different sizes, and you guys are loving these because it shows in my analytics that you've been buying them. So these are also awesome for tiered trays. You can put like these, I have these small florals in here. These are from Hobby Lobby. You can put faux fruit in there, like I have lemons in one. You can put little pumpkins in it when it comes to be fall. You can also put some little mini Christmas ornaments in there at Christmas time. There's just so many different little things you can put in there, and little fillers that you can decorate with, and these are great for trays. This is the smallest one. It just kind of comes apart like that. It has a little stand. These are just so cute. And then there are 2 larger size ones also. These cedar picks here are another favorite. These come 40 in a pack, and they're super cheap too, and for getting 40 of them. I use these on my tiered trays. I also use them in my dough bowls. This is another product that you guys are really liking because I see in my analytics that you're buying them. And this is another one I definitely recommend for the trays. They just have like this little, they have a little stem here like that, and then it just kind of give you a little closer view of those. Anyways, you get 40 of them. You can put them on trays, dough bowls, you can put them on shelves, or you can just decorate them around like a piece on your table or something. You get so many, there's so much you can do with it. So I just love these and wanted to include them. Okay, we're gonna move on to some home decor in general, not necessarily on a tiered tray. Could maybe go on a tray, but just something that you can use in your home. This here is a new piece that I recently purchased off of Amazon. This is a knotted wood decor piece. It's called boho. It's listed in the description as boho. I think you could use this for farmhouse, boho, modern, cottage. I think this goes with all of it. I don't think it matters what your style is. You can use this. It is wood. It's really nice. It's very smooth. It wasn't too expensive at all. And it's a newer piece. I used it on some books on my mantle. I have it stacked up there. You could put it on a coffee table. You could put it on, you could even use this on a tiered tray too, I think. I haven't done it yet, but I probably will find a way to use this on a tiered tray. But anyways, this is the newest thing I've purchased recently, and I'm just really loving it. Wanted to show that one to you also. Next, I have my lemongrass wreath. This was also, I purchased this one a couple of years ago. I've had this for a while. I use this on trays also, but certainly you could use it as a candle hold, you know, a ring around a candle. What do you call these? the base, you know, you put your candle down and you put the wreath around it. I don't know, it's not a candle holder, but you know what I mean. So this, it kind of has a fall look to it. If you can see, it has some kind of like the leaves are turning here. It would be really great for the coming fall season. I've used it all seasons. It didn't really matter to me. I think you could use it year round. But this is another great Amazon find that I love and I use often. Okay, moving on to some practical items that I'm loving. We have these HEPA air cleaners. We have 4 small ones and we have 1 larger one. And they work really well to clean the air in your home. As a matter of fact, a couple of weeks ago, when we had all of those Canadian fires were burning and the smoke was blowing in our direction, it really helped to clean our air and keep it nice inside of our home while we were dealing with that. So I will link those below for you also. And then also we have some replacement filters that we purchased. They're a different brand. They're a little less expensive. So I'm gonna link those for you also. But having the air cleaner in your home is really great on being able to keep down, you know, the amount of dust in your home. We just get so much dust here. They're just really helpful, and definitely recommend them. The next thing that I have are these under counter lights. They come in a pack of 4. They actually come in different amounts. You can get them, I think you can get them in like a pack of 6. I'm not quite sure, but mine came in a pack of 4 because I only needed 4. So they come, here are the lights, they come with a remote, and then they also come, they each come with a charging cord. And they come with a strip. It has a magnetic strip, and you adhere the light to the magnetic strip. And then also there's like a sticky portion on the back that you peel off, and then you can just stick it up to whatever surface you want to stick it up to, and it will give you extra light wherever you need it. Like I use it in the kitchen because I need extra light in there. My kitchen is really dark, so it really helps with task lighting. The lights have 3 different settings, and they also have the ability to dim them, so you can make them brighter or you can make them more dim. And they also have a timer on the remote, so you can time them to go off at different intervals of time. And I just recently purchased these. I think they're really awesome. They've really helped to brighten up my kitchen, because when I'm trying to work in there, it's just so dark that my kitchen just doesn't get that much light, and particularly over where my counters are, and it's been extremely helpful. Okay, the next item I have is this Huladiki, not quite sure how to say this, universal dust cleaning tool. So we used this in our car, we used it in the cup holders, we used it around the console area where it can get into all of the nooks and crannies and get all of the gunk out of there and the dust. This is great, it worked really well. I also used it on my computer keyboard to get the dust off of that in between like the computer keys and stuff, and it worked really well with that too. So this is a recent purchase, just tried it and was really happy with it. My husband called this a detailing tool. So I guess like that's what that would be, you know, when you're trying to clean your car. It's definitely worked really well. Another product that I really like is this meat masher. I've featured this before. This is really great for breaking up ground beef or whatever kind of ground meat you have. I know sometimes when I use a regular spoon, it can still get clumpy and it takes longer. This helps you break it up faster. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I featured it before and it's something that I love. Another practical item that we purchased off of Amazon, or I should actually say my husband purchased it. He actually gave me the suggestion to include this today because I had forgotten about it, are these nozzles that can go on, like this is where we keep our olive oil in this container. And I don't know if you have ever had this happen, but sometimes these caps that come and the nozzles that come with these pieces don't work very well and they leak and then the oil will go all over. So we purchased these nozzles here off of Amazon, and they work really well. First of all, they cover the top, they keep out the fruit flies, they help to keep the oil fresh, and it also is really tight, it fits really snug, and you don't have any olive oil leaking out of it. So these are great. We love these. Okay, this next item is for outside. We have these bird repellent rods. These come in a pack of 8, and we put these on our canopy. We have a canopy over our picnic table or our patio set outside, and I was sitting outside and the birds were like dodging inside the canopy. They were zooming back and forth. I almost got hit. It was really scary. So we purchased these off of Amazon and we hung them on the canopy, and they really do work. They really do keep the birds away. After we put these up, the birds did not fly through the canopy and buzz our heads anymore. So problem solved. Okay, one more home decor piece I forgot. I bought these hydrangeas earlier in the year. These come in a pack of 6. You get 6 of these. I put this in a floral arrangement I did in a video earlier this year. I thought these were really great. They look pretty realistic, I think. You know, it's usually the leaves that I'm looking at. I think these leaves look pretty good. And anyways, I forgot to show you this one earlier, and so I wanted to show it to you now. Okay, the next couple items are some clothing purchases that I recently made. So I was doing a little research about what might look good on me as far as like my height and my body and the age that I'm at, and I discovered that peplum shirts were something that would look nice on me. So I went on to Amazon and I started looking at different styles, and I found this black one here, and I really love it. It is it's very lightweight. It's very nice for the summertime. It keeps me cool, and it is made out of material you don't have to iron it at all. It's great. I really love it. I've gotten compliments on it, so it must look nice on me if I've gotten some compliments on it. I like it so well, I actually ordered another one in a different color that will be coming soon. And then the second item is the shirt that I'm wearing right here, right now. This is a beautiful, it has these little lace pieces on it, and it has these little, like, I don't know, embroidery dots on it. This is the cutest shirt, and you'll see when I show you the back that it has buttons all down the back. I'm really loving it. I only wish that I had purchased it one size up, because if you go and you look at the Amazon link, which I will have linked below for you, you'll see that it's actually a little bit fuller and a little bit longer on the model that's wearing it. So I might suggest maybe sizing up one size rather than going with your true size. But I love it. This is called apricot, and I wasn't quite sure if it was actually going to be this color, because I know a lot of times, sometimes when you get something from Amazon, the color is actually different in person than it looks online. But I have to say that this color was exactly the same as I saw online, so I was very happy about that. And lastly, I have a couple home decor books for you that I'm really loving. This one here is called Feels Like Home, and this is by Marian Parsons, and I don't know if you are familiar with her. She goes by Miss Mustard Seed. She has a beautiful blog. She's very talented. This book has so many practical, there's like some practical ideas in here for doing DIYs. It just has beautiful pictures in it. There's lots of ideas for decorating. Her style is very similar to what I like. I love the wood tones and the whites and the blues, and so I really have enjoyed this book. And as far as the book goes itself, I have been reading it some, and she has really great suggestions, and she's very encouraging, and I just love this book. And it also looks great sitting out on your tables. And then the second book that I have, this book is by Liz Marie Galvin, and this is called Cozy White Cottage Seasons, 100 Ways to be Cozy All Year Long. And this is another book that I'm loving. Beautiful pictures in it, beautiful suggestions and ideas for you. And another one you can set out also on your tables or shelves. And there's great suggestions, great ideas, and I really love this one also. Okay, so that's all the things that I am loving from Amazon. Don't forget that Prime Day is the 11th and 12th. There'll be links below if you want to do a 30-day trial if you don't have Prime. Also, there will be links below for all of the items that I have mentioned today. Hopefully, I will be able to get all of those links. Sometimes things change on Amazon, but that will be listed in the description box below. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video today. I do have a DIY video I'm going to be doing. I have several DIYs I want to do. They're going to take me some time. They're going to be everyday DIYs, but I will get that video out at some point, hopefully before the end of the summer. And then also I will be starting on my fall tier trays. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.